Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For those of you that are new and viewing, welcome. So today I'm installing a wig from OUTRE Hair. They sent over this unit. This is from the Perfect Hairline series. So this one's a new one. It's called Dorelia. I don't know if I'm saying that wrong or right. It's 22 inches long. I have it in the color 2. It has transparent HD lace. No plucking required. Baby hairs are included, and you can use heat on it up to 400 degrees. And the lace frontal space is a 13 by 5 lace frontal. So 13, 5 inches back. And this is what it's giving. I did do a little bit of customization. I plucked it just right here in the center near my parting space. I also cut the front right here and added like little shorter bangs because I just felt like it was needed instead of like the long right there in the front. I just like how it looks that way. I also pulled out the curls, you guys, because the curls were like really tight. Like they look really spiraled, and I don't like that look, at least not on me. So that's why I pulled them out, and I like it this way. It makes it gives it like a more natural look, a little carefree instead of being like super perfect, kind of like you gave yourself a twist out and it's a few days later. if you get what I'm saying. So how I would rate this wig, I feel like it's cute. It's not like a top favorite, but I do think it's cute. Like, it gives you the purpose of what you need if you're going for a big hair look. And you can really style this up with some really cute outfits. So I would give it like 8.5 out of 10. I'm not like super duper crazy about it because I kind of feel like I wish the texture of this unit could have been like yucky. I don't really like the texture, just giving very synthetic, which sounds crazy because it is a synthetic wig. I just want it to feel a little different because I know it can be done. But yeah, but it isn't like terrible. I do think that this unit might last a little bit longer than most synthetic units because of it being curlier and a little bit shorter. I feel like when you have like the straighter wigs, those might kind of nap up a little bit quicker, but if you take good care of this, I feel like it could last just a little bit longer. Not too long, but a little bit longer, if you get what I'm saying. If you wear synthetic wigs, you get what I'm saying. I do feel like it's big hair friendly. Your girl got a lot of space back here. I didn't do the adjustable straps and I should have. It has an elastic band in the inside for you to put it on and make it easy. I use adhesive spray installing mine today to kind of hold that frontal down. And as you guys saw, I went ahead and did baby hairs around the entire hairline because it is pretty full. That's going back to that no plucking required. I think that this hairline was extremely full, and adding the baby hairs is what made it look more natural, and also like the little bit of plucking that I did made it look more natural. I do think if you want to wear this hair kind of pulled back, you are going to have to pluck it so it isn't giving wig. You know what I'm saying? But for the most part, no shedding or anything. I think that pretty much covers the entire wig. Like specs of it. So if you guys have questions, just leave them in my comment section. I'll be happy to answer that for you. And that's all I got. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate y'all, and I will see you guys in my next video.